Hey guys, I'm your tech consultant, and you are watching my official YouTube channel. And we are studying Adobe Photoshop, and in Adobe Photoshop, we are learning the different tools that we use in Adobe Photoshop for various purposes. And we are studying the selection tools. And in the selection tools, I am going to tell you a more sophisticated and a tool that is used to select more specifically as compared to the lasso tool. So this tool is called magnetic lasso tool. As the magnetic name indicates, it attaches the boundary by itself. You just have to guide that with your mouse, and this will give you a selection very easily. So you just have to give a direction by your mouse, and the other selection will be done with this tool itself. But one thing you have to keep in mind that you will do this selection process in very much zoomed state so that you can select it more clearly. So let's use it. For that, I will just select it from here. I have already selected it, but you can select it as by clicking here, and you will have lasso, polygonal, and magnetic lasso. And when magnetic lasso is selected, you can just press L, and this will take you to magnetic lasso tool. So now what we are going to do, we are just going to select this with magnetic lasso tool. So first of all, I will zoom it with pressing Z, and then I will click on that, and then I will press tab and move a little bit upward, and then I will click add place. So you can see when I am moving my mouse, it is attaching it with various areas. So for example, here the selection is not good. So what I will do, I will select, I will press delete, 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 and then I will go again with that. And you can see I am moving with this, and then I will press space bar, and then I will move this object a little downward, or we can just move it from here or here. But you can see the selection has been disturbed. But what should I do? I will select delete, no, cancel. I will press Ctrl Z to deselect all because the circle was closed. So what I will do, I will just move this with that shape. I will move it with this shape, and this will select, this will select delete. You can just, if you want to add something like it was not adding, I just clicked on it. Otherwise you can just move it. If it's not taking some part, you can just click on that. If this is not taking, I will click here, then I will, you can see it's not moving in that way, so I will click here, then I will move in that way. So magnetic lasso tool is taking this very easily. So you can see how easily I am going to select this object. So this is selection is wrong. So what I will do, I will press delete as many times as I wish. I can just delete, and then I will move in that way. So delete again. Move it little bit downward, and then delete, and then I will move in that direction. And going to select that boy. And here the selection is complete. And you can see our selection is more accurate as compared to the lasso tool. So what we can do with it, we can just select this and we can move it anywhere. You can see the selection is more accurate here. And you can also delete this image, and you can also inverse the selection, like select and inverse selection, and then you can just delete with background color, and you can see everything behind that baby has gone. So you can see we have selected very accurate. We can improve it with more practice. So this is end from today's lecture, which was on magnetic lasso tool. In the next video, I will teach you something other than that, and that would be the quick selection.